We got it running. Look at him. Going slow with it because, you know, tuning, braking process, stuff like that. And he's bouncing on it. Average. Using it like a trampoline. What a dill hole. Oh yeah. Holy moly. Certainly isn't as fast as I thought it was. Probably because he's not putting any gas to it. Really. But, you know, that's okay. But yeah, this is like day whatever now. So, yeah. We've got it running. I'm recording, by the way.
It doesn't go fast. We got to tune it.
I'm recording.
Okay. All right.
We've been forgetting to record.
Yeah, I know. All right. So after having to replace the whole cylinder, we kept the old carburetor, the one we were working with. It's new carburetor, but we ended up having to replace the cylinder or pay to get a big bore piston, and so. It needs to be tuned, but the smoke is now blue and not white. Major